Hello guys, welcome to my Raphael's cooking day. So tonight we're going to cook the homemade pizza. Since today is National Pizza Pie Day, so we have that here for your for the favorite here for the pizza over here for the homemade pizza. Then we'll be going for this recipe is going for the here. So last year I made it in chicken pizza as in February 11, 2024. That will be here for cooking over here. So sponsored by Cooking with Kian, Cooking with William, and Joshua Wiseman. So we have that here for the making a pizza over here. So I'm gonna how to do is going for the National Pizza over here. This will be going for the National Pizza Pie Day. It will be going every February 9 here. So okay, so National Pizza Day will be here. So today is February 9 over here, so I'm gonna do for the pizza over here. So here the ingredients in here. You will have flour, cheddar, sugar, dry yeast, pizza sauce, salt, and bologna. So I'm going to start it exactly 2 minutes here. So 2 minutes. So according to the United States over here, there is a pizza pie day. Is going for the fresh full cook over here. It is we'll be going for the Alright guys, so this video is we're going to have the pizza over here, and then we're going to start it about a little bit here. And then so we're going for the pizza over here. Okay, so I'm gonna here for the start over here. So let's get started. So into for the favorite bowl over here. So I'm going to put some all-purpose flour. So for the all-purpose flour over here. So since today is National Pizza Pie Day, so I'm going to use that here for the favorite. Sorry. Alright guys, so I'll be going for this recipe over here. So I'm going to put some for your fresh full dry yeast. So I'll be going for the favorite here is the dry yeast over here. So I'm going to use that here for the favorite for the dry yeast. Alright guys, so I'll be going for this recipe over here. So I'm going to put some sugar. And then we'll be have for your recipe. So this pizza pie day you'll be going here. So I'm going to use that here for the favorite size of the sugar. So going over here. Alright guys, so we have that here for this. So I'm going to put some salt over here. So I'm gonna use that here for the pizza pie recipe over here. So I'm gonna use that here for the homemade pizza. Around 2 tablespoons here. Officially 3 tablespoons here. So let's mix these dry ingredients here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use that here for the so I'm gonna put the vegetable oil here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have the here for put the oil on top here a little bit. There you go. Alright. So I'm gonna put this here into the here. So I'm gonna put the water on straight. So we're gonna pour the water for a bit. To turn it, we go with the for your turn it to go over here. So guys, I'll be going for this. So actually have that here, and then we're gonna pour it too much. Pour it aside. Put the flour in it. Let's go back to my kitchen here. Okay, we're going to start kneading the dough over here because it's a pizza of the for your knead the dough over here. Then going for the for size of the dough over here. Alright, so I'm gonna do the for the same bowl here, and then so we are going to have the for your this for the favorite butter here. So I'm gonna put this and then brush this out here. Okay, and this. Then straightly punch the ball here. And then you rise the dough for about 15 minutes. So you can do anything you have here for this pizza over here. Alright, so we're going for your pizza dough to rise over here. So time check is ready, 7:48 on the clock over here. Now we'll be ending on 8:03. So we have that here for your the pizza over here is to cook about that here, my friend here. So see you later for about 15 minutes and see you later for about 8:03 p.m.
Weeknights. This anytime of this Baldi's Basics. So, I need to play every weeknights. The select anytime of this Baldi's Basics. I also see the Baldi's Basics of all times.
No way.
Baldi's Basics of anytime. Weeknights, 7:30 p.m. on Free Live TV. Having a good live. This February, this Valentine's World of this Baldi's Basics. So, I'm going to play every weekday afternoons. The Valentine's Day is at every 14th of February. I have to give this flowers and chocolates to our Baldi's Basics. Baldi's Basics of Valentine's World premieres February 17, Mondays to Saturdays, 3 p.m. on Free Live TV. Having a good live. This weekdays, I decided to eat their ice cream, so I need to play every weekday noons. This ice cream is really good. I want to share something about this ice cream.
I have lost you. I don't want.
Baldi loves his ice cream. Weekdays, 12 noon, on Free Live TV. Having a good live.
Germs! Baka mapasa sa anak ko! Stop! Mag-new Safeguard Body Wash with 24-hour non-stop protection.
Shook, shook, shoo away germs 24.
Proteksyong non-stop para sa pamilya. Safeguard.
You want great hair? Pero tututsyang-tutsyang. May sagot right here.
New Pantene Supplement Conditioner with provitamin and collagen. Smooths out tuchang easily for smoothness. It's not luck, it's Pantene.
Superboy is here!
Don't worry, may superhero ang washing machine natin. Breeze, more cleaning power. Mas tanggalan man siya, new fresh fragrance pa. Breeze.
Good morning, Mama. Big day today.
Then you need the Bigatin breakfast.
Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread, now in its new look, but still made with 100% farm fresh eggs and real chicken. Para everyday, meaty busog. Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread.
Forward, forward, forward together. Sama, sama, forward together.
Lumipas na ang gabi ng lagim. Sama-sama, tuloy-tuloy na ang ating pagbangon.
Forward, forward, forward together. Sama, sama, forward together.
Lalong bibilis, lalong gaganda ang ating pagbangon. Katulong ng ating mga kabisig sa Senado.
Avalos, Binay, Bonrevilla, Cayetano, Lacson, Lapid, Pacquiao, Soto, Tolentino, Tulfo, Villar,
Tuloy-tuloy, sama-sama, forward together. Forward together, alyansa para sa bagong Pilipinas. Sama-sama, forward together.
Forward together.
Nurture a gifted brain with Promil, with 4 more clinically proven brain nutrients that help support focus, memory, language, and problem solving. Raise a gifted kid only with Promil.
First day taping! Pero may last day ng buhok. Sunsilk with Active Infusion. A blend of oils, vitamins, and proteins para all-day smoothing hair na may bangong nakakagigil. Walang makakapigil. Action! Sunsilk with Active Infusion. Sa Surf Instant Puti, damit nakaka-wow! Wow! Instant Puti! Sa Surf tumirik lang, damit nakaka-wow! Wow! Instant Puti!
Surf Instant Puti in 2 minutes.
Yes to fresh with Mentos candy.
Okay, after about 15 minutes, temperature is ready 803. So I'm gonna here for the Andy did it here. Do this. We go from there here. Okay, so I'm gonna here for the stretch of the pizza, and then alright, so we're going for the pizza over here, so I'm going to put some Italian pizza sauce. So we have that here for the pizza over here. So I'm going to use that here for the favorite of the pizza sauce. Alright, so we're going for the pizza over here. So I'm going to put some cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna use that to have that anyway over here. So I'm going to use that here for the cheddar, and easy as we'll have this recipe over here. The cheddar. Use the cheddar here. to have this size over here. And then we have this recipe here, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to use the smoked bulunga. So we have that here for your bulunga over here. So I'm going to use that here for the bulunga here. Alright, so we already have that here for your pizza over here. So let's follow me in the oven over here.
Weekdays, this delicious apples are eating the Baldi's basics, so I need to play every weekday mornings. Apples are favorite. I will have to eat them every day. Keeps the doctor away. Baldi loves his apples. Weekdays, 9 a.m. on Free Live TV. Having a good live.
Friend in New Orleans took me dancing in the streets. We laughed and we sang out loud, made la 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 la. I jumped in Chicago's lake to feel the wind in my face. I swam in the moonlight counting stars. Sweet, 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 sweet.
Weekdays. Have an amazing new channel of that Free Live TV. I have to do the mornings of Baldi's Basics, so I need to play every weekday mornings. You have to survive about the Baldi's Basics. I am excited for your new channel. You will have to do something good. Mornings of Baldi's Basics, weekdays, 5:30 a.m. on Free Live TV. Having a good live.
Sa talinong Nutroplex?
Gets ko yan!
May Talino Booster Formula that helps activate the nerve para may tulong sa concentration, kaya gets na ang lessons, madiskarte pa. Talinong Nutroplex.
Unilab yan.
Putik, pawis, at amoy araw. Yan ang mga mansyang inuuwi nila. Buti na lang, may bagong Breeze 3 Wash Pack na. Nagtatanggal ng mancha sa unang babad pa lang. Sige sa mancha. New Breeze 3 Wash Pack.
May magic ang kamay ni Mommy. Pag hinahaplos ako sa dibdib, poof! Kumagaan ang pagbubuko. Dito, mas nakakahinga na po ako. At dito, nababawasan po ang sakit ng ulo ko.
Hindi ito magic. It's Vicks Vapor Rub. May eucalyptus oil. Pampaluwag ng plema para gumaan ang upot sipon. At menthol, pampaginhawa sa sakit ng katawan at ulo. Para sa mahimbing na tulog, Vicks Vapor Rub. And try new Vicks Vapor Rub Extra Strong with 2 times menthol para sa iyong tough cough and cold symptoms.
Padating na si Mama. Malinis na ba lahat?
Yung banyo na lang, mahal.
Han, mababad ko pa sa bleach?
Comex dapat. Tanggal ang stains at germs dahil sa Vic Formula.
Linis na. Galing mo talaga, mahal.
Comex Unstoppable. Sakay na! Kasya ba buong pamilya dyan? Bigatin to, tita! Parang Surf Fabcon mas bigatin pa! Mas bigatin, kaya mas mabango! Surf Fabcon!
Nakakasawa ba? Simple lang ang gagawin. With Eden, masayahin. Sarap ng ulam na hain. Panalo ng damdamin. Hi, mukbangers!
Mukbaho!
Dahil yan sa kadiring germs na naiwan ng ordinary liquid. Dapat, Joy Antibac. Isang patak, mas tanggal ang sebo at germs. Pati amoy, isang patak, isang katuta.
Good day for a date. Bad day for kate. Makadandruff yan. Mag-Head and Shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and Shoulders.
Ang ilan sa kanila kulang sa vitamin D. Pero siya, kahit sagad sa hamon, matibay. Bear Brand lang ang gatas na may 100% vitamin D. Tibay na sagad sa buto. Bear Brand.
Ngayon, commute hanggang Sundo kahit pawis.
Amoy blooming pa rin!
Dahil sa pinakabagong Surf Fabcon Fresh and Bloom. May 3 times amoy pawis shield, kaya kahit pawis.
Bangohan
All new Surf Fabcon Fresh and Bloom.
Fragrant hazelnuts, smooth velvety chocolate, Ferrero Rocher, for love that's precious as gold.
You're watching Raphael's Cooking Day on Free Live TV.
And then this is to reach to about 30 minutes at 190 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius for about 30 minutes here. Okay, this will we have the 30 minutes on the oven over here. So I'm going to use that for our favorite toast of the pizza over here. So time check is already 8:08 here. The time check is 8:09 in the evening. Now we'll be ending on 8:39. So we'll be going for this. So it's National Pizza Day. So I'm gonna use that here for the pizza over here. I'm going to bake it for about 30 minutes. So see you later for about 30 minutes, and see you later for about 8:39 p.m.
Weekdays, I decided you to eat their ice cream, so I need to play every weekday noons. This ice cream is really good. I want to share something about this ice cream.
I have lost you. I don't want.
Baldy loves his ice cream, weekdays, 12 noon, on Free Live TV, having a good live. This February, this Valentine's World of this Baldy's Basics, so I need to play every weekday afternoons. The Valentine's Day is at every 14th of February. I have to give this flowers and chocolates to our Baldy's Basics. Baldy's Basics of Valentine's World premieres February 17, Mondays to Saturdays, 3 p.m. on Free Live TV, having a good live. This weeknights, this anytime of this Baldy's Basics, so I need to play every weeknights. The select anytime of this Baldy's Basics, I also see the Baldy's Basics of all times.
No way.
Baldi's Basics of Anytime, weeknights, 7:30 p.m. on Free Live TV. Having a good live.
Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff. Ready na? Anong problema? Pagod na ako sa hair problems ko. Pagod na akong magka-dandruff. At pagod na ako sa dry and weak hair. Girl, cut the drama. Use Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff, a 2-in-1 solution with tea tree oil and aloe vera to remove dandruff para healthy, smooth ang hair. All game? Pagod na akong maging maganda. Tanggal dandruff na, healthy, smooth hair pa with Sunsilk. Sa Surf Instant Puti, damit nakaka-wow! Wow! Instant Puti! Sa Surf 2 minutes lang, damit nakaka-wow! Wow! Instant Puti! Surf Instant Puti in 2 minutes.
Iwan na tayo ni Daddy!
Di ako papayag, kaya kong mag-magic.
Maggie Magic Sarap All-in-One. Ano mang lutuin, kayang pasarapin para sa family bonding.
Di na ako magbabasketball!
Tuloy ang sarap ng bonding. Kagagawan yan ng Magic.
Buong araw ang kain sa trabaho. Mag-stick para galaw mo ay ganado. Hataw sa stick, hataw sa galaw. Hataw sa stick, hataw sa sarap.
Pinakamasarap na joy ng pamilya. Ang aming biggest, crispiest, juiciest, Philippines' best tasting chicken joy.
Ligaya!
Pawis, ayokong magpakis.
At kahit pawis, sarap pa rin i-kiss.
New Downy Sunrise Fresh. Doble kapit bango.
Downy, floral bangong you'd want to kiss.
$6.25 lang.
Pamamanhid at tusok-tusok? Take doctor-prescribed Neurobion. It's 4 times B12 versus a generic B vitamins brand. Helps relieve these symptoms of nerve damage. Ask your pharmacist for Neurobion.
Sugar! May sugar yan! Nescafe Sugar Free to! Nescafe Sugar Free! Introducing the new Nescafe Sugar Free with Stevia. Lasap ang sarap ng kape without the sugar. Kaya wag na magpigil. Try it now.
Yes, Mom. Dad can make dishes special with Lady's Choice, the #1 mayo with best quality ingredients, 100% farm fresh eggs.
Wow! Sarap!
Special. Lady's Choice. No one's immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of Provitamin from Pantene. Formula with Provitamin B5 strengthens hair and helps build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene.
Daddy ni Kokoy, biktima ng imposibleng mancha. Di kaya ng brand X, ang Ariel, kaya! Imposibleng mancha, mas tanggal yan ng 10X Power Cream.
Tinta? Asan?
Imposible? Posible sa Ariel!
Okay, so after about 30 minutes, time check is already 8:44, so I've been 5 minutes late. So we have to do for your pizza. And there you have it, we have it for the homemade pizza. So that's it for our video here. So happy National Pizza Day sa inyo lahat. So we're going for the celebration of this pizza over here. So I'm going to have this according to the United States. So next week we'll be having for the Valentine's cake. So nakita tayo sa susunod na linggo, 7:15 na po, so don't be late na po. So you have to subscribe to my Free Live TV Having Good Life. Facebook page Free Live TV Having Good Life. TikTok at Free Live TV Having Good Life. YouTube Shorts is Free Live TV Having Good Life. YouTube Post and Community Post Free Live TV Having Good Life. YouTube Podcast Free Live TV Having Good Life. My post is Free Live TV Having Good Life. And my story is Free Live TV Having Good Life. You can create your story for about 24 hours before getting for the story archive. So I hope you enjoy your cooking. So see you next week. Bye!